In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new sequence in Adobe Premiere Pro, an essential step for anyone looking to start editing their projects with precision and a clear layout. First, you'll want to make sure your project is open in Premiere Pro. This is your creative playground where you'll shape your video masterpiece, so being familiar with it is foundational. Next, direct your attention to the top of the screen and locate the File menu. Click on it and scroll down to select New, and then head over to Sequence. This is going to open up the New Sequence dialog box, a crucial hub for setting up the groundwork of your edit. It's here that you'll decide what your sequence will look like in terms of technical specifications that need to match your footage. In this dialog box, you'll initially see the Sequence Preset tab. Here, Adobe Premiere Pro offers a selection of presets that are designed to fit different types of footage seamlessly. For instance, if you know the specifics of your source material, like the frame size, frame rate, and codec, you can easily select a preset that mirrors these details. Utilizing these presets can save you time and ensure that your sequence is aligned perfectly with your footage from the get-go. If your footage doesn't quite match up with the available presets, the General tab, or in some versions this may appear as the Settings tab, offers a more tailored approach. Here, you have the flexibility to enter customized parameters. This includes setting the time base, which corresponds to the frame rate of your footage, and configuring the frame size, such as the common 1920x80 HD setting. Tweaking these settings allows you the flexibility to work with footage that might not fit into a standard preset and gives you control over how the sequence handles your content. Once you've decided on your settings, the next step is to give your sequence a meaningful name. This is more important than it might seem. Keeping your project files named accurately and descriptively will transform your workflow into a more organized and less stressful process, especially as projects grow and timelines become more complex. After you've entered a name and are confident that your settings are configured correctly, you can proceed to click OK. With this, a new sequence will appear in your project panel and a new timeline will open up for editing. This timeline serves as your blank canvas where all the creative work happens, from cutting and trimming clips to applying effects and transitions. By following these steps, you've successfully set up your sequence, paving the way for a smooth and efficient editing process. Now, you're all set to bring your creative vision to life.